Welcome, fellow seekers of knowledge, to an extraordinary exploration of the captivating realm of philosophy of science. In this riveting video, we embark on a profound journey to analyze the nature of scientific inquiry and the inherent limitations it faces. Get ready to challenge your assumptions, expand your understanding, and delve into the depths of scientific philosophy like never before. The philosophy of science, the intellectual playground where reason meets discovery, beckons us to explore the very foundations of scientific inquiry. In this exhilarating video, we dare to ask critical questions about the nature of science itself. What makes science unique? How does it differ from other ways of knowing? We venture into the thrilling landscapes of epistemology and methodology, unraveling the intricate tapestry of scientific thought. At the heart of the philosophy of science lies the exploration of scientific theories and their relationship to reality. We delve deep into the nature of scientific explanations, examining the complex interplay between observation, experimentation, and inference. What constitutes a valid scientific explanation? Can we truly attain absolute certainty in our understanding of the world? Prepare to explore the boundaries of human knowledge as we navigate the complexities of scientific realism, instrumentalism, and the nature of scientific progress. But the philosophy of science extends beyond the realm of theory. We examine the inherent limitations and challenges faced by scientific inquiry. We explore the fascinating concept of scientific skepticism, embracing the critical role of doubt and skepticism in the pursuit of truth. How do biases, paradigms, and societal factors influence scientific research? We confront the thorny issues of reproducibility, falsifiability, and the replication crisis, pondering the reliability and robustness of scientific knowledge. Yet, the philosophy of science is not confined to abstract musings. It has profound implications for society, ethics, and the human condition. We delve into the intersections of science and morality, contemplating the ethical responsibilities of scientists and the potential consequences of scientific advancements. We reflect on the impact of scientific paradigms on societal values and the complex relationship between science, technology, and human progress. Brace yourself for a thought-provoking exploration of the ethical dimensions of scientific inquiry. Prepare to encounter the illuminating insights of great minds throughout history. We delve into the philosophical perspectives of luminaries such as Karl Popper, Thomas Kuhn, and Imre Lakatos. We explore their groundbreaking theories of scientific revolutions, paradigm shifts, and the social dimensions of science. Open your mind and embrace the intellectual legacy of these philosophical giants as we dissect the nature of scientific inquiry. But the philosophy of science is not a solitary pursuit. It thrives on interdisciplinary collaborations and the integration of diverse perspectives. We explore the intersections between philosophy of science and other branches of knowledge, such as sociology, psychology, and history. We contemplate the role of science in shaping our understanding of the world and its impact on our cultural narratives and belief systems. So, my fellow seekers of wisdom, join me on this exhilarating intellectual odyssey as we unlock the mysteries of the philosophy of science. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to become part of our vibrant community of curious minds. Like, share, and engage in the comments section below as we embark together on this captivating exploration of the nature of scientific inquiry. Prepare to broaden your horizons, challenge your assumptions, and embrace the profound complexities that shape our understanding of the world. Until next time, my friends, may your pursuit of truth be relentless. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep seeking the deeper truths of our universe.